Hello, welcome back. So today I'm going to build this Disney classic animation scenes set. So this is a gift with purchase set. So I got this for free. I think this is one of my biggest gift with purchase sets. So by the way, we have stickers and just one guidebook and two big packages of Legos. So the packages are actually quite bigger than I expected. So this one is going to be the television frame. So, like, it's classic animation scenes, but it kind of looks like a television. And we have three filters that we can change. So, this one is going to be the television, and the three scenes that the first one is the classic, the Disney. When you watch like a Disney movie, when it starts, there's this Disney castle, and it's gonna be that one. And we also have like Lion King and Toy Story. I also like the classic Disney castle, but my favorite is the Lion King one because it's so cute. It looks like a little cave, and we have Simba, and like that. It's been a really long time since I watched Lion King, so I don't really remember the story actually, but I think it was kind of sad. Anyway, so this TV is very small, but it looks very cute, and it's very easy to change the filters. So we also have like that switchy thing, like the button to control the television. So it's not an actual television, but it's very cute that they made it look like a television. These gift with purchase sets, I'm not so sure if they actually sell it because I've never seen this set before. But yeah, or maybe my thought is that maybe it was a really old Lego set and then they changed it into a gift with purchase set. Or maybe some sets are just made to be like a gift with purchase set. I like some of the gift with purchase sets I know, but some of them I've never seen before. So anyway, we also have legs for the television and like these television antennas, Should I call them antennas? I'm not so sure. I think it's antennas, right? So anyway, it looks like this. It's a very old-fashioned television. These days, televisions don't really look like that. So we made the television frame, and this is going to be the first one that we're going to make, the classic Disney castle, the scene. So the background is very blue because it's actually kind of dark, right? And it's really cute because it looks exactly like that. So I'm not so sure how it is, but kind of like a firework or something like that. I'm not so sure what it is exactly, but when when the movie starts, the Disney castle is there, and there's something kind of like a shooting star, like shooting shoo all the way around, and it looks really pretty, right? And we have the exact same thing on this one as well. So it's very cute. It's a really small Disney castle. Yeah, so we don't have any dolls in this one, but it's very cute and it's very nice. So thick ones over here, and we're going to put a sticker Disney over here, and we're going to make the shooting star thing that I mentioned to you. There you go. Now it looks perfect. Fantastic. So it's rather simple, but you can put it like this. So it's very easy to plug in and easy to unplug. There you go. So we have the Disney one, and this is Woody, the Toy Story, and the clothes are so like detailed. It's so cute, and he has like two faces, and I just love his hat. So I know Toy Story, but I actually never watched Toy Story, so I don't really know about it, but Woody looks very cute. I like his clothes. It's very detailed. And so this one, the background is much more brighter than the Disney castle. So I expect this is the daytime, and it kind of looks like there's a flag attached to a white building, and I have no idea what that is actually. And we have cute little clouds, and I've seen that shape before, but I'm not so sure what it is. Maybe it's like a rubber ball or something like that, because Toy Story, it's like they're like in the toy land. I mean, like they're toys, right? They're toys, and it's a story about toys. So that's why it's a Toy Story. And I think this one is kind of like building blocks. Yeah, there's also a figure over here, and this one I also have no idea what this is. So you probably think it's kind of weird because I don't know Toy Story, but Toy Story is very popular. I know that, of course, but actually never seen it before. But anyway, he looks very cute. And now, time to make my favorite one, Simba. So this is Simba, and let's go and make the Lion King scene. So the background color is the same one as the Toy Story one, so it's the bright one. So this is also the daytime. And so I made something navy on the right part. That's gonna be a little mini mountain for the background. It's really cute. And this is so adorable, really adorable. So there's like this a little cave, and Simba is on top of right? He, right? So on top of his cave. It's really fantastic. It's just so I love this scene. It's so nice. It's the best gift with purchase ever. You know, gift with purchase are also really nice, and we also have little clouds on this one as well. So cute. So the clouds, we have a lot of white hearts. Yeah. So there you go. Simba on top of his like cave. Yeah, and so let's put the Lion King. I thought it was just the Lion King, but I guess the whole title is The Lion King. So yeah, it's The Lion King. And ta-da! It was fantastic. Simba is so cute. It's my first Simba, and I actually never thought I was gonna have a Lego Simba because I don't really buy a lot of Disney sets. So anyway, this is the end of the video, and see you next time. Bye bye. See you next time.